Welcome to LATAM MedTech Insights. In the first week of January 2026, a significant regulatory tremor was felt across Brazil's MedTech landscape. Brazil's health authority, ANVISA, released a new technical note clarifying clinical data requirements under the RDC 751 framework. This isn't a minor update. It signals a much stricter enforcement policy for high-risk medical devices, specifically impacting foreign manufacturers who previously relied more heavily on existing international approvals. The clarification demands more robust, localized clinical evidence that specifically addresses the Brazilian population's unique demographic and clinical practice nuances. This move has caught many international scale-ups off guard. For example, a European company with a new cardiovascular implant, already CE marked, was preparing its submission to ANVISA. Their strategy was built around their existing clinical data. The new guidance now effectively invalidates parts of their dossier, forcing them to consider a costly and time-consuming local clinical bridging study. This unexpected pivot could mean a delay of 12 to 18 months and adds unforeseen seven-figure costs to their market entry budget. This is not an isolated incident. The core of the issue is the subtle but critical shift in ANVISA's interpretation. The agency now explicitly states that global clinical data must be supplemented with a detailed clinical evaluation report that justifies its applicability to Brazil's population. Factors like genetic diversity, local standards of care, and even different physician training protocols are now under scrutiny. This deeper level of review means that simply having a device approved by the FDA or a European notified body is no longer a golden ticket. It's a clear trend towards regulatory sovereignty, where major LATAM markets, led by Brazil, are demanding more than just foreign credentials. They want proof of efficacy and safety tailored to their own citizens. This move elevates the strategic importance of early-stage regulatory intelligence and highlights the growing complexity of launching new technologies in the region. For MedTech companies, navigating this evolving landscape requires deep local expertise and proactive engagement with regulatory bodies. For further insights on adapting your regulatory strategy for Brazil and other LATAM markets, feel free to email or visit Pure Global.